Signs that you have a faithful man by your side. These signs will confirm that you have a faithful man next to you. Analyze them and see for yourself. Every woman wants a faithful man, that the couple has no secret and always has the confidence to tell her everything. How do you know if you have a faithful man by your side? Analyze the following signs that tell you if that man is faithful and loves you. Surely you will think that there is not a single woman who does not think that her man could be unfaithful, and you are right. Somehow we are directly or indirectly related to this idea that there are chances of him being unfaithful. That is why we share the following signs, so you know once and for all if that man is giving his body and soul to love you and respect you for the rest of his life. 1. Does not hide the cell phone. Very important. If you observe whether or not he flips the cell phone when he is with you, if he puts it in front of you, and with the screen facing up, that speaks of the security he has that there is nothing to hide and that there is no problem if a mysterious message or call arrives. If a call comes in, he tells you who it is and answers in front of you. He doesn't go miles away to answer. It is a good sign. 2. When you are in public, he takes you by the hand. There are men who avoid holding hands in public at all costs. This happens because they hide some adventure that they do not want to be discovered. So take his hand when you walk in public and see if he takes it away slowly or on the contrary, he hugs you and holds you stronger from your hand. 3. He introduces you with all his coworkers. This is a test for you to see what kind of women are surrounding your partner, but also take it as a sign that your man doesn't want to hide anything from you and introduces you with the work environment he deals with every day. 4. He doesn't have his ex on his cell phone. A faithful man does not make the mistake of having his ex-partners with another name or the same name in his cellular. Instead, he disappears them from his life and focuses only on his current relationship, on you and on everything you want to do in the present and in the near future. 5. He has you in his profile picture. In his states, in his social networks, are both of you. This is like marking the territory and telling the world that nobody is more important than you, and when a girl writes a comment out of place, he immediately gives you your place. 6. He tells you what he earns and what he spends. As part of the trust between the two, he assumes that you should know what he earns and in what he invests his money, always making plans as a couple. Few men do this. If your man shares that with you, it is because he loves you in his life and he only wants to share his entire life with you. 7. Respects his female friends and yours. He is not the typical man who, at the slightest opportunity, flirts with his female friends or with yours. If you want to learn more about the signs that you have a faithful man by your side, click or tap the link on or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Get a Man to Love You.